Hello NEET PG aspirants. My name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Students, today I want to give you the information about another open state for PG medical admission, that is Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, the counseling authority name is Atal Medical and Research University, which is located in Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. This university conducts the counseling for Himachal Pradesh PG medical admissions. In Himachal Pradesh, there are two government colleges are there where clinical PG branches are there. One college is Indira Gandhi Medical College, Simla. Another is Rajendra Prasad Medical College, which is in Kangra and Tanda. Apart from that, there are another two government medical colleges there, but their clinical branches are not there. Apart from government college, there are one private medical college is there, which is Institute of Medical Science, Solan. This college is a private university and it is also very reputed private medical college in Himachal Pradesh. I will give you the information about the counseling process. In Himachal Pradesh, the counseling authority, as I told you, Atal Medical and Research University, you have to go to the website of that and you have to do the applications and registration. Once it is done, you have to upload the document which is required for the counseling process. The registration's amount is 3,300 for the general category candidate. In the first round of counseling, there is no security money. Okay, you can do the choice filling after your registration. You have to give the name of the college and which all branches you are looking for. Both the information you have to give. At the end of the first round, once the allotment will be done, if you want to take admission, you can go to the college and you can complete the admissions. In first round, there is no penalty because there is no security amount also. So if any student is allotted a college, if you don't take admission, there is no penalty in Himachal Pradesh. But in the second round, the Himachal Pradesh State Counselling, they will be giving again for the fresh registrations. The student who have not participated in round 1, they can again participate in round 2 for the fresh registration. The student who had already done the registration in round 1, they can pay the security amount. For participation in second round, the candidate will have to pay the security money. For government college, the security money amount is 39,000 rupees. For private college, state quota, it is 5 lakhs rupees, and for management quota, it is again 5 lakhs rupees. In Himachal Pradesh, in Institute of Medical Science, 25% seats are reserved for the state quota candidate, whereas 60% seats are reserved for the management quota, where all over India student can participate. Any part of India student can participate in this 60% seats, and apart from that, 15% seats are NRI seats. So 25% state quota, 60% it is management quota, where all over India student can take admission, and another 15% is the NRI quota. So if the student has got seat in round 2, then they can go to the admission. If you are not allotted a college, you can again participate in round 3. If you are allotted a college, if you don't take admission, then this 5 lakh security money what you have paid, it will be forfeited. So you have to be very careful in round 2 onwards for in Himachal Pradesh State Counselling. Now I will tell you the significance of Himachal Pradesh State in terms of the PG medical admissions. There are many students who are from North India, besides the UP, Uttarakhand, or even Bihar also, Chhattisgarh also. Okay, they are looking for PG admission in North India, but their NEET score is not very good. In that case, you can take admissions in Himachal Pradesh. I will tell you the approximate fee structure. For upper clinical branches, the fee structure is from approximately 26 lakhs per annum to 33 lakhs per annum. In that range, it is for upper clinical, like radiology, dermatology, general medicine, orthopedics, all those kind of OBG, all those kind of branches. If you are considering the lower clinical branch like ENT, psychiatry, anesthesia, ophtha, all those branches, the fee structure is even below 20 lakhs also it is there. Some of the lower clinical branches, the fee structure is around 23, 24, 25 also per annum it is there. Students, today I wanted to give you the information about Himachal Pradesh State Counselling, so you understand what is the fee structure and which all students should participate in Himachal Pradesh. If you want to know more information like that, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to get counseling guidance services from us, please contact with our team for counseling guidance services. If you want to get regular updates for PG medical admission, please join in our Telegram group. The link for joining in the Telegram group is given in the description. Thank you so much, students, for watching my video.